Welcome to a short demonstration of Security Risk Advisor from Security Innovation Europe. Security Risk Advisor is designed to improve the value and speed of application delivery by doing the heavy lifting of automatically generating an application threat model, which allows you to focus on those threats which are unique to you. By putting in details about your application architecture, design, and other parameters, including environments, Security Risk Advisor uses its comprehensive knowledge base to identify the application risks and produces the risk model containing the list of threats, potential vulnerabilities, together with recommended controls. Our return on security investment calculator can then add another dimension to your decision making when determining which controls are to be implemented. The resulting security requirements are then sent to Jira or other tracking software to monitor the progress of implementation. Other uses for Security Risk Advisor include determining the application security elements needed to be deployed to the cloud, or even automate the secure design in DevOps. This short demonstration will briefly run through some of the functional elements of Security Risk Advisor, with details at the end of how you can arrange your personal, more detailed demonstration. To start with, the developer creates a new product, and then answering a questionnaire about the architecture. The system is based on components, and we'll see a distinct questionnaire for every component of the system. In this case, we first look at the database. The user will then answer questions about the database and the data it uses, how it will be deployed, and we will then see another questionnaire for the web application itself on the server side. Again, each question here is customized based on the type of component that we're dealing with, the terms of the trust zone, where the component is located, and finally, the browser. A threat model is automatically generated in the background based on these answers. The user can now choose to apply a security standard, and once that standard is applied, automatically upload the security requirements to Jira. All countermeasures marked as requirements will be uploaded to Jira directly. Users can view the countermeasures through Security Risk Advisor itself, or they can work directly in Jira. Security Risk Advisor does the synchronization every 5 minutes in the background, and we can preempt that here and see the countermeasure status directly in the Countermeasure tab. The security team will be interested in seeing the risks generated and how the countermeasure status and progress reflects in the residual risk. Rejected countermeasures are clearly marked, as are implemented countermeasures. The security architects, as well as security managers, now have complete control over the generated risk model, and they can customize this to suit their needs. They can decide to apply recommended countermeasures, which then become requirements, or they can choose to accept risk on some generated risks, or they could choose to add completely new threats to the model. We can also search through existing threats from other projects, or generate a completely new threat. We can then add weaknesses to the threat, and again, searching through existing weaknesses, we can choose weaknesses directly from CWE or from other projects. Since we use a component-based model, we can add additional components to the architecture at any time, so you can build on your existing models. Each questionnaire will be distinct and customizable based on the type of component that we're dealing with. Security Risk Advisor will import threats from our central threat library based on the answers to these questionnaires. And at any point, we can edit an existing component and complete more specific information in the questionnaire, which we know at that point in the development lifecycle. Both controls and weaknesses have tests associated with them, and if we do perform security testing on a weakness, we can mark the outcome of that test right in Security Risk Advisor. Thank you for taking the time to view this short demonstration of Security Risk Advisor from Security Innovation Europe. Please contact us if you require any further information or would like your personal demonstration.